Let's rebuild a classic control piston kit. Purchase an OEM rebuild kit, either 11/16 or 9/16. We'll put part numbers and links in the description of the video. Use everything out of the stock rebuild kit except for maybe the dust seal. The springs are going to be different lengths, but it's going to work just fine. If your Joker control has the same style dust seal on it, just use the one out of the OEM rebuild kit. If not, you're going to have to purchase a new dust boot from Joker Machine. For the JX controls, you need to use everything out of the OEM rebuild kit except for the dust seal. You can usually reuse your dust boot off your controls. If not, we have them available for purchase. With the JTEC controls, you need to use a Joker Machine piston, then use the O-ring, U-cup, spring out of the OEM rebuild kit. You also have to reuse the Joker Machine dust boot. We have replacement dust boots available for purchase if your dust boot has gone bad.